$350 billion is available for loans to small businesses harmed by the coronavirus economic downturn. In Montana, those loans are already being approved, although the money isn't yet going out the door. MTN's Mike Dennison has the latest on that status.
Shortly after midnight last Friday, Montana banks and officials at the Small Business Administration approved the first loans to help businesses here weather the coronavirus storm. By day's end, 1,000 loans had been processed, and officials continued to work through the weekend.
It was like a giant funnel with a cork on the bottom. And, when they finally pulled the cork, there could have been a lot more problems at the bottom of the funnel than there was. So we're pleased that the system is up, it's operating.
But officials say the actual money may not be available for a few weeks, as final paperwork must still be processed.
We're in the early days of this sort of a process, and so I think we need to remain patient. There are a lot of businesses that are affected.
The money is for businesses who employ less than 500 people and who are striving to keep their employees on board during the economic slowdown.
Almost every day I learn of a new business sector that is being affected in a negative manner. It's everything from tourism related, dry cleaners, tanning salons, beautician shops, restaurants. So there's a big swath of those sort of businesses that are going to be eligible for this sort of assistance.
But demand for the loans already is exceeding supply. Nationally, the amount of loans requested is more than double the amount allocated by Congress. Hegerberg says while many other states are reporting delays and problems in the program, he believes Montana SBA officials, banks, and businesses are working well together. But he says first in line for the loans are banks' regular business customers.
We know that some small businesses are still anxious. They're still not sure how the program works and may have been working with their banker and not getting what they expected. But not everybody can be at the front of the line.
And for those not at the front of the line, already the Trump administration and Congress are considering a second round of aid for businesses and workers hit hard by the crisis. Reporting from Helena, Mike Dennison, MTN News.
The loans also may be converted into grants if businesses maintain their workforce during the downturn.